People, welcome to the Upnlive show. This is the boy DJ Rick Upnlive. Dragon Star, Fire Q, look at Brown Rasta, Bread back there each and every Tuesday on TGM Radio. We bring to you the best of the best from right here in the UK. And like no other week, we have the man of the moment right now. The man will say Machiavelli, Shanti Force is here. Good evening. From PH. First question, jump right tonight.
Boy.
Shanti. Yeah. Shanti, you can't why me.
Why?
You can't
no.
give. You can't. No.
Before you give me the why, I give them something for that. But go on.
Put your face in the ice cream, Shanti.
What?
Yeah. In ice cream.
Hold on.
This does start
something
good.
Right.
1 + 1.
Phil.
But I know that you're saying at the video. Come watch Machiavelli.
Did you hear me or you hear the classroom?
Are you a video?
Yeah, then that's why they fool your fuck.
Shanti Force, what go on, brother? What go on?
They give thanks for life.
Of course. Give the video, bad video.
Give thanks.
Wicked concept. Be a girl.
Yeah.
Oh, you find so much girl for do that video there. What go on? Like you go on girl farm. What go on? You have to talk to Styler. I don't know what go on there, so.
Yeah, you know, friend. I want to road my farm. The ladies attached. Is it? That is it.
Who came up with the concept?
I had the concept, like, basically from the line when I say full of girl, like, me I do this for the days of BlackBerry. For me, I'm 26 years old, so BlackBerry time was like my school days.
Yeah.
You get me? So that's where the school concept forward from.
And then when they bring in one man to come take the video.
Yeah.
Because
Prince.
to be honest, you know, I think he should actually do acting because
yeah.
So let me ask something. So in the video set and thing, would you have insurance? Because I know say when viral prints come, you have what collateral damage.
I want to tell you, sir, I get a message from the school the next day after the video shoot. Yeah, but it wasn't nothing like major. It was just the fact that like
something fuck up though.
No, it was just the fact that they saw the alcohol and the like ladies,
the nudity.
Like yeah, them I say them don't want their school
logos to be
attached to the video. But other than that, there was no problem.
Yeah, exactly, because I was gonna ask you that as well.
Yeah, it was just a warning. They just
but that one day if it come dash or nothing, you know, either salt or powder or little flour or something.
The rum. Yeah, that's the rum.
I know viral prints love dash for things,
yeah, you know, see the girl get wet up with the rum. That's that one.
Exactly. And over the last few weekends, the party was a whole concept as well.
Yeah.
A part of the Machiavelli creation.
Yeah.
Talk us what go on for the night for the party.
The party was a good look. You get me? Big up to everybody who forward out and those who did one forward out and never get for forward out. You get me? It was just a party all eyes and we people and forward out and just full joy themselves. You get me? Sorry about the headphones in the Shirley part, but you know that's a thing. You get me?
And I what kind of part? Nah, what?
Shirley part.
Shirley, and the early part.
No, if you want to go in that early part, you can go over there.
But we see the steady progression and the growth into the music, and now we're seeing where your music is being played. Especially, I've seen a video recently with Styler G posting the Machiavelli video on the tour with a friend of mine.
Yeah.
Normally, I know Styler G don't really mess with any anything, and is there a form of like a collaboration coming or is we can't say come? Jesus Christ. Afraid with them.
Give me the rum over there.
Is there a farmer some project forward?
Maybe you know the thing I've always give Styler G's respect, you know what I'm saying? And Styler G is giving me my respect whether it's public or like to me naturally, you get what I'm saying? Like he showed me that respect and always give me good advice. You get what I'm saying? So who knows in the future we'll definitely probably work on something. But there's nothing like that's set in stone said we at the moment.
So at this point in your career now, you feel like say this is the song where it's gonna be a breakout song because we see it attracting a lot of highs.
Yeah.
All about me see it all about a play, me see it a mash up party, a Jamaica and thing. You feel like say that song a hit?
It's for the people because we as artists cannot really decide which song is a hit. You know what I'm saying? We just have to put out the music and make the people and decide if it's a hit or not. You know what I'm saying? And whereas the reaction from this song,
other
that's what I was just about to say. Like the reaction for this song, in comparison to like some of the other songs when we released, this one people gravitating to it like more. Me hear the actual word hit with attached to this song a lot more than I've heard with other songs. Do you know what I'm saying? So
what do you feel that sell this song?
The topic, the rhythm. What's
the selling
point
song of it where you feel like say that's the selling point?
The topic I sang, me
feel
about
like
your pussy cause you don't get
so
away
right
from do
from
that few line there the song done.
Yeah, because like you know that is like me feel like say I'm anthem I know.
Trouble.
You know what I feel like sell the song, you know, most men feel a way there about like women in a
them
general
ex,
situation.
Yeah.
Even not even say ex, but sometimes you know, if you look at a girl and the stigma will go around her if you know say she been around, you just don't want to have nothing to do with that because it'll eradicate your brand. So as soon as we hear that we say, okay, somebody actually say it, and it makes sense and
definitely.
you have a vibe.
Yeah,
so
definitely. And it's just like for the message really is like for the man them thing. No, say like it's just about having standards as well for yourself. You get what I'm saying? You know, them have man as dog and just touch anything where forward them with.
Yeah, and we see like earlier on in last year you did this song with Bandy.
Yeah.
And there was a lot of speculation going around. Are you guys a thing? So why go on over there? So make it just clear for everybody, know, cause some people see and some people don't see. So me don't know. Sometimes I'm blind and I wear glass. So
no, when we did build the song, it wasn't a thing. It was just literally music. That was the first time I did see Bandy. When we recorded the song, that was the first time I did see Bandy for. Okay. Like I did only see her one time before that, like in like 2015 or 16. You get me? So that was the first time we linked up. It was just a musician studio vibe and connection, and then just the people kind of put it.
Yeah, well, talk straight, no. Talk straight.
No, the people it out there now. If you don't
me
know,
don't know. Me have a weird glass.
I'm a woman that.
Okay.
That's why
you know, that you ever say a woman cause you know. Yeah.
So what the Valentine's plan?
If me talk now, then she gonna know.
Yeah. Where's the Versace party and beer things?
Yeah, that's Saturday. That's at the 12th.
Oh, man, you know a problem over there, man.
So, in farm to our next one, I partner with the Jamaica side.
Yeah.
You don't feel like you need to go Jamaica with the Machiavelli project?
Yeah, the song I forgot there before me can go there. Hopefully, you know what I'm saying. I'm still like restricted from flying, like for a few more months. You get me?
Okay.
Yeah.
So that situation there.
Yeah.
Okay, yeah.
But you know, it's not no like big issue. It's just like twice more month left.
Okay.
You get me? So
2 more months,
yeah.
So
a few of them.
let's speak a bit of business now. Do any Vulture record label try to sign you under their record label because you have the Machiavelli project now? We never really give you a look in from before.
Yeah. Few like I've had, not necessarily from the Machiavelli, but like just over the last few months from last year, I've had few offers forward to man, but nothing that really makes sense or nothing that's gone through. You get me?
Yeah.
But we still, you know, the thing that gonna happen when it for happen. You get me?
So talk us through this one road link up because we realize that it's a team effort between the whole body of dancehall fraternity and your team in terms of your artist friend and some people who actually do street team and like Sasha them and you know DJs, some people is campaigning with you because I don't know if it's because of a friendship or why it's respect or why, how would that work? Explain that.
A lot of people it's respect because a lot of people I don't know them differently from music. You get what I'm saying?
Yeah.
So a lot of people that support me, it's my music that made them support me, and maybe we build friendships during the time, but initially it's the music that make them forward and support you. So one road is just it's one road. You have whole heap of different turn off streets. You get me? But everything connect up forward on the main. So that's basically where the one road forward. You get what I'm saying? Zeke's is Shellington, Mr. Front Page. Style I say, oh Jesus, Bandy say bad to bad. Yeah. But everything connect up on the one road.
Exactly.
So
that is it.
I know that you have a lot of different turn off, a lot of different streets.
Yeah.
What did you learn from every other avenue?
War float. War float, that things.
War float.
Yeah.
If you want to discuss something like where you never really put in your craft before, where you can say, boy, you know, Zeke's better than me at that point there, our style is better at that aspect, and I pick up a thing or two from his craft to add to mine to make mine a better package.
It's just, I don't think there's nothing necessarily to pinpoint, like, I don't know, it's just a natural settings, just being around each other, we naturally just enhance each other's skills, you get what I'm saying? And like if me probably in a session and I build a song and me have the first, second, third line, but me not have the fourth line and the fifth line, but me have a sixth line.
Yeah.
Because as Tyler did there and stay and say yo boom 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 and
so
them few line the forward.
Like we know she's the only singer, so she probably is a better one to give you a key and say instead of sing it that way, they sing it this way.
Do you know something? Yeah, she does. Me learn from Bandy without Bandy necessarily telling me like settings. You get what I'm saying? Like, but it's just me don't know how to put it. We just learn off of each other. It's just a natural thing. You get what I'm saying? Like,
of course.
Yeah.
Right. So look at more mix up. So with you and Bandy now, what do you guys see yourself in the next year? Marriage? One big front page reading.
Big.
Me just ask you know.
I don't know.
We
want. I've always wanted to see Bandy win. You get what I'm saying? And see myself win. So music is always the main mission. Or like, you get what I'm saying? Naturally, we just end up be together, and that's just for we. You know what I'm saying? The two we are public figure, so it's natural that you're gonna know that we're together. But it's not necessarily. That's all we need to know.
I love money. We don't know if you want to spill the beans. We don't know. Yeah, that's why I answer. It's February. Them say the girl them month. So that's why I asked that question.
No, bad man now go up on one knee. Bandy know that.
No. You know, go back. You can set up a gear ring to you know.
Yeah, maybe. Maybe. You know what I'm saying?
So we'll never know. But people, Shanti Force in the studio, and you know, we talk a lot about up on the road, then a part we stop for a reason.
Yeah.
I mean, no people don't really log in this evening for a reason, because Shanti there. See, so we don't feel like we just log it out no more. We just feel like we just have a
man. Jesus. Yo, you want a red card. Red card. Time out, man. Good God.
Watch out now. You get a grenade, you know, car a Valentine's time, you know, no man no fear again next man red card. Trouble.
Stuart, yo, VR. VAR. You see that we're not trying to give me red card.
No, God, no.
But listen, let me set it straight.
Hang him.
Set it straight. No matter these why and these things never occur to me, because I care zero.
No, we know that. Rick make that clear from like years ago.
So when I say no one wants to say, anyway, Dragon, a year time.